Welcome to the RGI database training video, How to Modify Student Information. Before beginning this process, ensure your cohort student is in the database, as modifying student information can only be done to existing student profiles. If there are no cohort students in the database and students need to be added, please watch the How to Add Students Using the Add function or How to Use the Student Import feature to add students training videos. Start by clicking on the Students button located on the main navigation menu. Select List Search Students. Multi-access users. Select the school that the student profile you want to modify is in. Next, search for the student in the student listing by entering their name or student ID into the search box. You can also search for students using the minimum maximum grade filters to bring up students by certain grade levels, using the Gear Up status filter to bring up students with only the selected status, using the post-secondary education to bring up first-year college students attending a certain college, or using the letter search bar to bring up students by the first initial of their last name. If the student is not in the student listing, proceed to search for them in the archived students list. Click on Students and select List Archived Students. Multi-access users, select the correct school. Students on this list withdrew from the school in the previous school year and did not return for the current school year, thus being archived. Being archived hides a student's name from the student lists found throughout the database. Archived students can be unarchived from this list and added back to the student listing, so they may be added to activities, marked for course enrollment, completion, and other measures as applicable. If you cannot find the student in the archived student list, please reach out to your database point of contact. Once you have found the student, click on the edit icon to the right of their name. This will open the student's student progress page, where you will be able to update student demographic data, applicable course enrollment, course completion, and other progress measures as needed. Scenarios for which students will need to have information modified include, but are not limited to, changing Gear Up status to withdrawn if they unenroll from the school during the school year, updating the student's notes with important information, updating LEP, IEP, homeless, and/or foster care status, marking a student for course enrollment, course completion, and/or any other applicable measures as needed. To update multiple students, please use the Record Student Progress function or Student Progress Import feature in the database. Updates made will autosave to the database, indicated by a box pop-up in the upper right corner of the screen that reads Information Updated. That concludes this training video. Thank you for your participation. For further questions, please contact the RGI evaluation team.